Learn English. Enjoy English. With our videos, 4B English.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to 4B's English lesson video. My name is Richard, and today I'm going to explain the difference between must and have to. Let's look at two example sentences. You must stop smoking. You have to stop smoking. Alright, so the only difference between these two sentences is must and have to. You must stop smoking. When you use must, it's coming from the speaker's opinion. So in this case, the speaker thinks that you need to stop smoking because, for example, it's not healthy. Alright, you have to stop smoking. When you use have to, it's coming from a situation. So in this case, you need to stop smoking because, for example, you are in a non-smoking area. Let me give you a quiz. I will read a sentence and you try to guess if the answer is must or have to. Alright, so number 1. I blank returned the DVD because the deadline is today. I blank returned the DVD because the deadline is today. The answer is have to. So in this case, I need to return the DVD by the deadline. If I return the DVD tomorrow, it will be past the deadline and I will have to pay more money. So it's coming from a situation. Number 2, you blank eat vegetables because it's good for your health. You blank eat vegetables because it's good for your health. The answer is must. So in this case, the speaker thinks you need to eat vegetables because it's healthy. It's coming from the speaker's opinion. Number 3, he blank stopped drinking alcohol. He blank stopped drinking alcohol. So the answer is must or has to. In this case, both answers are okay. When you use must, it's coming from a speaker's opinion. So in this case, the speaker thinks he needs to stop drinking alcohol because, for example, it's bad for his health. When you use has to, it's coming from a situation. So in this case, he needs to stop drinking alcohol because, for example, he is too young to drink alcohol and he is not allowed to drink alcohol. Great! So now you know the difference between must and have to. I hope you find this video helpful. Remember, my name is Richard, and please click like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.